Lyle Lakay was live on SA Sports with Thabiso Mosia, where he has expressed his disappointment with Mamelodi Sundowns. I quote, "Everybody says this move came as a surprise. It was a shock to me. 1 minute I was in Johannesburg and then I was told the next day I must get ready to go to Cape Town. It wasn't my decision at all, and City was the club I was told I am going to," unquote. Now guys, this is so bad. Where is Ubuntu? How does one pack and go? What about family, kids, school? To me, this is unprofessional coming from Sundowns. Lakay further elaborated, I quote, "To be honest, I didn't really speak to the coaches. Coach Rulani was the only one I spoke to, but there was no real reason. He just said the club is moving in another direction, and that was it. So like I said, it wasn't my decision," unquote. What do you think of this unprofessionalism from Mamelodi Sundowns on their Defender of the Year? Please do share your thoughts down below.